why am I at a Honda dealership first thing in the morning on a Saturday with my new Valkyrie? That's a great question. The short answer is I didn't do my homework, and not terribly pleased about it, but fortunately my oversight was pretty minor, and hopefully my oversight will not be terribly expensive. This is the clutch reservoir. It provides hydraulic fluid for the clutch, which is right here. And that is empty. That is full. That's the front brake there. And the bike was supposed to have been serviced and looked over before I picked it up, and it wasn't. I'm not pleased about this at all. But take it to a Honda dealer, Honda service department, and we'll get this all straightened out. And I should have checked it before I took it off the lot, because I could have turned it around and said, hey, fix that crap. But I didn't, and the dealership is too far away for me to try and ride it back. So this one, Honda Powersports of Crofton, in my neighborhood, basically. And I've been wanting to do business with them for a while, so take it to some people I already trust. So shame on me, but it won't take too long. Get this all sorted out, and then we'll get back on the road. That is what it's supposed to look like. It's got a tiny little air bubble in it, and you know what? That's okay. So there, one refilled and bled clutch lever reservoir, and it took a long time to do. This beautiful spring day made the dealership service department pretty backed up. So you know, I don't blame them for that. I'm a service technician too. I understand these things take time. Total cost for this stupid fiasco was $32. So support your local dealership. They will treat you right. Honda Powersports of Crofton, thank you so much. I'm very grateful. And you'll be seeing more of me as I go fix up the Shadow 750, tentatively named the Doom Pony. But follow for adventures of that. The first one being replacing that crossover tube, coolant O-rings. Second thing being replacing the fork seals. Then we can begin the customization process. And maybe one of you all out there can help me out. I need to find out, figure out. It's got the original spoke wheels on it, and I want to swap them out for mag wheels. One, because they're less maintenance, but also so I can paint them. And I would really appreciate your insight input as to, is it a one-to-one swap? Do I have to change anything? Do I have to get all new forks? How the hell does that work? So stay tuned, and we'll see you out there.